Hello. Hey, dear Homely members and investors, welcome to Homely Market Watch. Today is February 7th, Sunday. Now is 10 p.m. Gonna share you this topic. Did you get a bonus from the stock market? Actually, we will talk about some bonus shares in the end of the year, of the new year, and also the Spring Festival also come in. So as many of the investors also want to get bonus from the stock market or from other sub industry. Actually, in the stock market, many listed companies also will giving bonus shares as a reward, as a rewarding. So today we will talk about it, but we will give in a definition of the bonus shares as a big definition of, for example, their dividend and also their bonus issue, free warrants, and additional listing, and something like this. So it's a big deflation. Okay. And we will also talk about the next week's bonus share analysis about the KOMARK, SolarVest, MTL, and PA. Okay. And of course, this video is purely for study and discussion. So so not for core buy and sell. Everybody needs to trade with their own risk. And we're gonna talk about these three parts. So first thing is the KLCI review. Instead of the US, because you know the US market is more focused on the financial reports of the fourth quarter, and so have a good performance of their quarterly report and any report companies, but which is different from the local market. In Malaysia, many companies with good performance, but the shares is disastering. For example, many glove counters, the performance very good performance, but actually the price keep dropping. Okay, the second sector is a sector review, and then the next week's bonus shares analysis. Now we check about the KLCI first. KLCI, this picture I joined joined Friday, and it's still workable, right? Workable. The medium term uptrend line is the yellow line here, and the price gets support here. Another very important support is the longest blue bar. This is a chips distribution tell you the support and resistance automatically. If you don't know how to draw the line, actually you can use the indicator tools. Always can improve our analysis efficiency. And then now the price is in this triangle, and you can see their price current price will meet resistance at around 1,600. Okay, if we make it bigger in the daily chart, it's like this. Of course, it's a good thing to get a support by this uptrend line, but actually in short term, we can see the price haven't break out half price of this purple color. Okay, so need another 2 days to see whether it can stand in above the 1581. Okay, last Friday, this Friday, it closed at a 1584, slightly above, but still not stable. The purple color is oversold signal. Okay, the price lead to break out the last purple candle, then can have a short-term chance. So now it's still in arrangements, so no big chance in this index. So despite of this, we can more focus on the individual counters. And also, this is also the reason why many investors ask me about some bonus shares or like that. Okay, we see the sectors are energy sector actually is the best performance last week, but is it just a real good performance or just a temporary one? After we see the daily chart, we draw two downtrend line, and you can find it didn't break out the red line. Okay, we have another corrected downtrend line, the yellow line, little bit breakout, but still need another day to confirm. So still rebound chance. After double confirm with the funds movement, the red chips is the banker chips, is the institutional funds, only 23%. Compared to the retailer chips, retailer chips is 24%. So make it even. And then the yellow chips is 52%. So basically it's also short term, right? No big funds advantage. And we can see this is technology. Technology is still very strong, but have some deviation between the price and the funds. Okay, now the price keep hitting new high, but actually the banker chips a little bit slightly decreased lah, okay? Still have 81% of banker chips, but after you see the deviation, still a little bit worried, okay? So how to do? Let's find the regularity in the history chart. So here also happened. Price hit new high, but actually the banker chips are lower high. Later on, there is a small correction, digest this correction, digest this deviation. Another time here also, higher high in the price, but lower high in the banker chips. And then is also a small correction, digest this deviation. Now same thing happened. Why only small correction digest the deviation, not the big top? Because you know, even their banker chips keeps lower high, but actually there's no retailer or very small retailer. So you know that the banker chip still remains here. It's just a wash up, okay? Just a wash up. They want to shake you out and then push up again. So if you know, you can recognize this shrinking, this shaking out, then you will not easily sell good shares, okay? So in current price, if you have the similar pattern technology counter like this sector, you can wait after the correction finished and then you enter again. And again, if now you enter are easy to chasing high like this, you enter and then the price drop, okay? This is chasing high. Technology, yeah. Then this is the industry. Industry, we check the weekly chart first. Weekly chart, we can see the yellow candle. Yellow candle is overbought candle. If the price cannot break out the last yellow candle, it will go sideways or drop. Now we can see just in sideways arrangements. The good thing is that it's still above the uptrend line. Okay, before the similar things happened here. Okay, also after overbought disappeared, the price goes sideways for few months actually. But if the correction happens in uptrend, then the correction is a good time for you to average down or to enter again or add more, right? Now still have some space to meet this support. Okay, so you can check when it gets support and have a signal to going up and you can buy, okay, or average down. Banker chips still have 67% in the weekly chart, very safe. And then here's the daily chart. Daily chart is a it's a triumph pattern. Okay, means that in this sector have few different concept shares rotated here. We know in this sector, the industry sector, a lot of good concepts in the economy recovery. For example, their airplane and their materials and some property related, right? Some construction related is all belongs to the recovery. Okay, also belongs to this industry. So have many people have a higher expectation of all the economy recovery. So which is benefit to this sector. So I also look good forward to this performance, this sector's performance. Currently, the banker chips in daily chart 44%, no retailer, so still safe. If you want to trade, you also get the right reason, okay, and find the right concept, then you still can make money. And after you break out their resistance, and you will see what's the leading, strong leading concept of this sector. Okay, currently still in rotated. Next one is a property. Property, because last we have very strong rebound, so we just take a look. But we can see still below the downtrend line and the blue downtrend line. With the banker chips 31%. The good thing is no retailer, but still lead another push up of the banker chips to break up the blue line. Then you have a bigger chance. Otherwise, it's just rebound. Just a rebound chance. And the next one is a small gap. Small gap counters this week also performs good. So we check. It's also in triumph one. So you know the small counters also rotated here. So find the right share and catch the right entry and exit point. Okay. And then telecommunication, last week also performs good, have a triangle pattern, little breakout. So far, banker chips is around 30%. 30% no retailer, so another 2 days to confirm whether it can break out or not. I think also lead the banker chips to push up, otherwise are still in sideways here. And the healthcare are still below the white line, the white line downtrend. So even is stop falling, seems stop falling, but only a little bit higher low here. Haven't performed higher high, so still cannot confirm its uptrend. Even have a very good performance, and you also have good dividend. If your dividend cannot cover your capital gain, you just change. Okay, you still cannot make money, right? The goal for us to enter the market is to make money, not to buy the company. Okay, about the sector and the index basically in the trading day, lunch break, I will write the post, okay, to share their index and the sectors, and also to analyze the individual counters. Last Friday, analyzed the AMUS and the Genentech, okay, so this is asked by the investor, so it's not for recommendation, but is a kind of a good reference, okay? We have English version and a Mandarin version. If you want to receive this trading day updates, you can WhatsApp Homely Lunch to 011-1652-7962, okay? If you want to receive the daily trading updates, you can WhatsApp Homely Lunch to 011-1652-7962. Okay, now let's take a look about the bonus counter of the next week. Actually, here is kind of a shares change. So you see have 3 bonus issue counters here, UWC, SolarVest, and the AMTEL. And also have another one is the stock split subdivision, and another one is share consolidation. Okay, this is some share change. Strictly speaking, the shares consolidation is not kind of a bonus counter, but actually now this counter is also very good because some investor also ask, so I will show here. Okay, before we check the counter, we know that recently their shares with their bonus issue, stock split, additional listing, and the dividend really have a good performance. But the price increase not because of this only, okay? There is another branch between their shares change and their good performance, okay? That branch is the banker chips, is the technical banker chips, is the funds. If the bankers want to use the news to push up the price or take the profit, and then you will have some difference. So you need to check how the bankers use the news here, okay? Use this multiple proposal of the listed company here, okay? For example, this is Asia Play. Before have additional listing announcement, have very good performance, but recently have this is also a subdivision of shares, but no good performance. This is a EITA resources. Before, this is a proposed bonus issue of warrants announcement, very good performance. Recently, after the bonus issue, it dropped, right? And also banker chips also decrease. And then K-Power before have few times additional listing announcement. Recently also have stock price, stock split, right? So we see not every time have good performance after the announcement, but most of them have good performance. How to increase our successful rate to finding these bonus shares? Okay, what is the reasons, right? What kind of the bonus issue will rise after? Actually, just now I also mentioned you need to have funds, have big players, institutional funds, and we call it bankers to push it up. Okay, then you will rise definitely. Okay, let's tell you about the first counter, PA resources. This share will have a share consolidation tomorrow. And we take a look at the long-term first, quarterly chart. Actually, quarterly chart have very strong rebound to the half price between the high price to the low price, okay? So you see here is the dotted line, the middle dotted line is the 50% resistance, okay? The price is 17%. Now the price is 24%. So you can now the share have arrangements, but lead to above 17%, okay? And then also in the quarterly chart appeared this overbought, but haven't finished yet. We need to follow the trend, so we can mark it here. Later, if have updates, and we can update, okay? And then in daily chart, we can also see the yellow line is the overbought, okay? Overbought didn't break down, still no problem. So after the shares consolidation, the chart will also check, okay, also difference. So you can use the same methods to set your support resistance. No forecasting, no forecasting. We just check, follow the trend enough already. Banker chips now is 97%. So far, it's still very good, right? Later on, you use the same method to check tomorrow, okay, what's its performance. Next one is KOMARK. KOMARK is not good. In daily chart, you see banker chips already gone a few days ago. Before, actually, the announcement happened at January 25, split announcement. It will be a split at the next Tuesday. Actually, the split is not so good, right? Compared to bonus issuers, split is not so good because it just want to increase the fluency, okay, fluency of the share, okay. If bonus issue, the company must have earnings, have good performance, have good earnings, then you can give in the bonus issue. But this split, the company no need to make money, like this lah, okay. So this one is not so good. And after the split announcement and the low, one day rebound, but later on still drop, right? So far no big difference, and also no bangers at all now, okay? And the next one, UWC, he new high shares are very strong technology counter and have multiple proposal before, and announced their bonus issue February 2nd, okay? So their X date is 16th, still have few days. Banker chips 94%. So far, okay. And you can also set the recent overbought as the resistance, okay, as a support. If the correction didn't break down, they still can hold. But if you say you don't know how to set, okay, no problem. You use the homely rainbow in the homely software. If you do short term, must be standing above the green line. If you do medium term, must standing above the yellow line. And if you do medium long term, the price must stand above the blue line, right? Then if you do long term, it must be standing above the white line. Okay, that is very easy because the lines will also update as the price moves. Okay, and their bonus issue will be happen at February 16th. To have a few days. Okay, also can follow the chart. SolarVest have a few good concept, renewable energy, and also sub new counters, right? And so many multiple announcements here. So very good share. And the recent announcement, Friday, okay? And their X date is February 22nd. Still have a few times, so medium term, no big problem. But it's not 100% thing, okay? Make sure the banker chips also remains here. Now the banker chips 89%, okay? And then if you haven't bought this counter, if you want to buy, you can buy in the 6-minute chart. The short-term resistance, you can set half price of this candlestick, 2.8. Okay, if you want to buy, you go to hourly chart. Hourly chart, trend expert, green to red is the buy point. Okay, this is for those who want to buy. And the last one, AMTEL. Okay, we check that quarterly chart first because it already meets a very important resistance, 4.57. Last Friday, it closed at a 4.27, another 30 cents, okay, almost 30 cents. But you also need to be careful, right? And then we see the daily chart. Daily chart, you cannot see the resistance. That's why we need to check long-term first, short-term next. And last Friday, you also on bonus issue announcement, the X date is February 2nd, okay? So far, the banker chips around 79%. So be careful because already set the resistance already. So basically, the method, all the method we will teach you in our member class. And also, if you're beginner, you can use the indicator to improve your efficiency. So we will teach you the method and teach you how to use the software so that you can master the method and make stable profits in the market. Okay, so in kind of this market, and this is a member to medium term 23%. Okay, in daily chart hereby. So that is easy thing. Okay. That's almost all for today's video. Any feedback you can leave in the comments, okay? Thanks for your comments. And of course, if you want to attend a Homeless preview class, you can WhatsApp 1201116527962. If you want to join in my WhatsApp broadcast to receive the daily trading updates, you can WhatsApp 2201116527962. Okay, if you can benefit a little bit from today's video, you can give me a like and then comment and share it out to your stock friend. If you want to receive upcoming videos, you can subscribe our channel Homely Time Malaysia and also turn on the bell. Okay, thank you for your watching. And we have a headquarters in Kuala Lumpur and have branch in JB and Penang branch. Okay, more details you can contact me. Okay, 011 1652 7962. Thanks. Bye for now and see you next time.